Okay, welcome to this section. This is a practical training on how we can scan using this scanner here. As you can see, we have this is a scanner, and then this is the system. This is the desktop that controls the whole software. So what we are going to do now is to check, start the software. Okay, so I'll close this. I'll close it, and this is the name of the software, SmartWork. Okay, so wait for it to load. Okay, so you see this is SmartWork, and then we click on this place. Okay, so now what we'll do here is to check some of these settings here. The colored, you leave it as this color photo. We'll leave it at the auto size. Okay, and then the image details, we'll put it as 300 dpi. We'll leave it at this full color, and then on this file directory here, that is where you are going to save your scan work. You click on this button here, okay, to take you to a network where you select the location of your file. So I'll go to land. Okay, land 2000 cars, and then raster prep. Okay, and then we'll go to raster prep, and then we'll go to LP. Okay, and then scan cleanup. Okay, so this is where we are putting the scan folder. So we'll click here, and then you click on this button so that you preview. Your work will be previewed after scanning. So I'll click on this, and then under the file tab we'll select def. Okay, so these are the settings that you need to do here, and then we'll go back to the scanner. Okay, so the first thing is to fix your paper. Okay, now you to pick it, and then position it like this so that you know that okay, the paper is fixed and is ready for you to scan. Okay, after doing that, then you go back to your screen again, your desktop, and then click on this button here for you to start scanning. Okay, so you click on this particular button, and then so you see you have started scanning. Okay, so you come back to your screen here, your desktop. You see that we have no space here, so we need to crop this particular map. So I'll click on this icon here for cropping. Okay, and then I'll reduce it. Okay, just for it to remove some excess there. Okay, so after that you just click on this button for you to save. Okay, so you have saved it, and then you come back here for you to remove your scan map from it. So you can use any of this button here. If you want to remove it, you use this button that is pressing down there, so that you remove your scan folder. Okay, so this is how we practically scan folder. Then you go to the location where you keep your file, and then you can copy it from there. You can rename it or copy it, and then do the dereferencing. So our dereferencing video is you can search for our dereferencing video so that you can learn how you can dereference. Thank you very much.